All right, this video is going on over number 12 from these optional MCA questions. We got to find the perimeter of the triangle. So we know it's got to be at least 20 because you got 20 on this side, but we got to add these two sides too. So they're unknown, but they are the same because they tick mark, so it's x and x. So what I actually would do here is Pythagorean theorem. So leg squared plus leg squared equals hypotenuse squared. All right, and so we can sort of solve this for x. So x squared plus x squared is 2x squareds. And then 20 squared is 400. And then if you divide by 2, each x squared must be 200 then. And so now I'm just going to square root it. All right, and so the square root of 200, if we use our calculators, is like 14 point something. I'm just going to call it 14.1 to be simple. But basically then our perimeter would be all those sides added together. So it'd be like 28.2 plus 20. So I think that would be 48.2 approximately for my perimeter. So on a multiple choice question, I would just get in the ballpark and kind of see out of our answers here. It's probably going to be letter C then, because I didn't do it exactly on my calculator, but that's roughly the right answer there. So good use of Pythagorean theorem, and then just add all the sides to get the perimeter.